Hey everyone, welcome back to CK Wealth Academy. It's March 2026, and if you're pulling in a solid salary, maybe six figures or close, and still feel like your bank account is on life support at the end of the month, you're not alone. Surveys show over half of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, and shockingly, a big chunk of high earners, some making $100,000, $200,000, even $300,000 plus, say they feel broke too. A recent Harris poll found many six-figure households cutting back on medical care, selling personal items, or even skipping meals just to make ends meet. Why? It's not bad luck or low pay. It's hidden traps that sneak up when your income rises. Today, we break down the real reasons you're still broke despite a good salary, and the simple shifts to finally get ahead. Stick around to the end for the one mindset flip that changes everything. First and biggest, lifestyle creep. You get a raise, promotion, or bonus, and suddenly your needs upgrade. Nicer apartment in a better area, luxury car lease, premium subscriptions, frequent dining out, vacations to post online. Expenses rise right along with income, or faster, so you never feel ahead. Experts call it lifestyle inflation, and it's brutal in 2026 with social media FOMO everywhere. High earners often shift to private schools, high-end memberships, or bigger homes, turning what should be extra cash into fixed costs. Result? You earn more but feel just as squeezed. Number 2. Massive fixed expenses. Housing in major areas, or even suburbs, takes 40–50% plus of take-home pay for many. Add car payments, student loans, childcare, health insurance premiums. Those adult bills don't scale down when income rises. They often scale up. Bank of America data shows necessity spending, housing, gas, groceries, utilities, debt payments, eats over 95% of income for a quarter of households, even higher income ones in high-cost spots. When everything's locked in, one surprise hits hard. Third, carrying debt. Credit cards at 20% plus APR, car loans, personal loans. High earners often use debt for lifestyle upgrades or emergencies. Minimum payments look small but cost thousands in interest. Student debt lenders too. Many six-figure folks use credit cards when cash runs low, creating a cycle. Fourth, paying yourself last. You work hard, taxes and bills get paid first, lifestyle takes the rest, nothing left for savings or investing. David Bach's rule: the first hour of your daily income, about 12.5%, should go to you, automated into savings, 401k, investments. But most skip this, so extra income vanishes on stuff. Fifth, zero buffer. Even with good pay, many have little saved. One car repair, medical bill, or job hiccup forces credit cards or borrowing. In 2026's uncertain economy, AI job shifts, tariffs, inflation, no 3 to 6 months expenses means you're always one crisis from broke. 6. Depending on one paycheck. Your stable job feels secure, but it's fragile. One layoff or cut, and everything crumbles. Many high earners don't build side streams or assets that compound without them working. Millionaires often have multiple income sources. Most don't. Finally, the broke mindset. Fear of missing out, comparing to others online. I deserve this after hard work. Plus, social pressure to look successful. This keeps you spending to maintain status instead of building wealth. So why are you still broke with a good salary? Not low pay. It's unchecked lifestyle creep, high fixed costs, debt cycles, no savings habits, single income risk, and mindset traps. The fixes are simple. Track every dollar for 30 days, no judgment. Cap lifestyle at last year's level when income rises. Funnel extras to savings/investments. Automate pay yourself first, 10 to 20% off the top to high yield savings or index funds. Attack high interest debt aggressively. Build that emergency fund fast, even $1,000 starts it. Start one side income or upskill for more streams. Flip mindset. Treat money as freedom tool, not status symbol. You've got the income, now build the system. Small, consistent changes beat big, dramatic ones. If this hit home, subscribe to CK Wealth Academy for more breakdowns on why costs rise, debt fixes, investing basics, and thriving in 2026. Comment your biggest "Why am I broke?" This is educational only, not financial advice. Consult pros for your situation. See you next time. Let's stop feeling broke and start building real wealth.